Hi, I'm Kim from Chamberlain Family Farms, and I know it's been a while since we've had a video on, but I wanted to share with you something that we discovered here in southeastern Indiana. Other people probably have seen it too, but it's new to us, and I've lived here in this area all my life and have never seen this type of a plant. So let's see if you have. So first of all, we discovered this plant when we were cleaning this area right through here. Now in this area there are sticker bushes, briars, or whatever you want to call them, other types of plants and things like that, and we're just wanting to clean this line up so when we mow it's not reaching over and getting us. And we discovered it kind of up in this area. So let's take a look at what I'm talking about. Okay, so this vine here, and it has some little, I don't know if you want to call them fruits or what, but it's called a Chinese yam or cinnamon vine. Like I said, I've never seen them before, and you can see it's got these heart-shaped leaves, but on them, here's one that's still on, grow these little potato-like objects, and you can see kind of compared to the size of my finger, they're not very big. I don't know if they get any bigger or not, but yeah, those are Chinese yams. So I did a little research on these, and they were introduced into the United States in the 1800s or the early 1900s. They were also introduced into Europe in the 1840s as a possible way to help out about the potato famine back then, if you've done your research or know your history. But you can eat these. These are edible. The vines, they get about 16 foot long. And like I said, they have the heart-shaped leaves. And didn't know these were out there, so I didn't see them during the flowering stages. But they said that the little flowers smell like cinnamon. And I guess that's why they call it a cinnamon vine also. They also say, whoops, dropped one of these. They also say that the tubers, the part that grows down in the ground, is very desirable because you can dig those up and you can work them into some of the alternative medicines that we have nowadays. And I'd have to look further into that to see what it does, but that's what it is talking about. The problem is, this is an invasive species. And like I said, I've never seen them up here, in this area. They may have been here, I just haven't noticed them. But they do tend to grow where it's kind of wet, moist area. And this has become a problem like in the Great Smoky Mountains area. And with it being invasive, it's growing so rapidly and it's vining. And then it kills out some of our native plants. So wanted to let you know about these. Yeah, I'm thinking we ought to cut one of these open and just take a look at the inside. You want to hold it for me? Oh, you're going to do it for me. Great.
Cuts like a potato or a nut.
Yeah. It does kind of have that look like a potato, especially the outer part does. It has that papery kind of texture like some potatoes do. So, might give it a try.